Sawtooth Mountain, they said.
Tastes like dirt.
It's the morning. I'm gonna say it's day 17. That makes sense. Yeah, we're in like Hillary or Haley, Idaho. We're going to. Gotta catch them all. Catch them, Idaho. Catch them, Montana. Montana sounds right.
Reality's gonna suck.
Cody has no pants on.
Yeah, like who wants a job? Jobs are stupid.
What?
Jobs are stupid.
Jobs are stupid.
Alright, I don't even know what I'm filming anymore.
Well,
What's that?
quick pit stop with the boys. Some sort of red fish. Sockeye salmon. All right. It's delicious. Sawtooth Mountain, they said.
Tastes like dirt and fish.
You taste like dirt and fish.
Favorite.
Oh, is this one of those things you got to pay $1 for, you think? The Bethune and Frank Church Overlook. Oh yeah. Can this thing see, I wonder? Well, kind of. Not really though. Well, I tried. We're another long day today. Montana, I said Idaho earlier. We're going to Montana. My mistake. All right, quick break to look at the mountains. Back on the road to Montana. Let's go. Kind of. We made it to Montana. Missoula. We're at the fancy KOA. The baller spot tonight. I'm gonna rig up our light.
We got free ice.
Well, I mean, you just had to use your charm and good looks.
Don't tell my wife.
She doesn't watch these.
You're talking about if I learn in the morning.
Setting up the tents in the dark, as is tradition at this point. I know what you're thinking is, yeah, it was light when we got here, but then also we had to drink some beers and go in the hot tub, so priorities. Them's the rules.
We don't make them.
Yeah, exactly. We just follow them. And I mean, you don't fuck with tradition.
Right?
So I mean, at this point,
Or nothing is not compliant.
The road makes us the rules.
yeah, it's the way of the road, bubs.
The road makes the rules.
Paid an extra $10 for this rad site, and then the power works or this light. So, writing a letter KOA. Fucking, it's gonna be scathing. You better expect it. I'm half cut, and we need to find food.
Well, we can go to the office and tell them our power plus our light doesn't work.
And then just see if they make us chicken or something.
You know, they can just fucking fix it while we're done.
Oh, that's true. Well, we're probably gonna go to Buffalo Wild Wings. That's a good point.
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Go get ourselves some diarrhea while we're in Montana. Like,
We've
yeah.
eaten at some pretty sketchy Mexican restaurants.
We have. Like, I haven't been too bad actually.
I mean, I just had a big dump today because that salsa was a little spicy.
Like, even that $9 steak I had was pretty good.
You have a $9 steak?
Yeah, remember when we went to that $9, the top gear or the top deck?
Oh, fuck. Yeah, that-
And I got steak, or a chicken fried steak, and you guys got the hangover breakfast or whatever?
you only have chicken.
Yeah, but you always get chicken soup. Just,
Why?
where were you January something or other? Just cops.
You know why I ate soup? Because it's easy on your stomach when you're hungover.
That's fair. You know what? Wise words from Papa. All right. Papa does know best. All right, we're gonna go get drunk and eat some chicken wings.
Dogfish, citrus, but they like it.
Brought the boys to Buffalo Wild Wings. Oh, we got the kid coming in clutch. Yeah, you know what? We don't even need your light bulb. We have our own light bulb. Thing works like a hot damn. Thanks, Wes. We miss you.
And that's the end of day 17. A lot of amazing rides and views today. Time to have a few more beers and head to bed. Here's a short preview of day 18. Come on back next week to see the full video. Thanks for riding along with us.